Plexus Corp provides electronic manufacturing services across the world in the Americas, Asia, Pacific, and Europe. We help create the products that build a better world. Before ServiceNow, we had that homegrown solution. We needed a tool at the time that was more than just ticketing system. Not just our tickets that things were broken, and ServiceNow provides that as a platform that's way more than just incidents. Visibility is our biggest thing within Plexus. We want those end users to see what's happening in IT and to be able to track their own incidents and really be self-service. Recently at Plexus, we actually deployed Employee Center, and that's been huge for our end users and our employees to communicate with IT. So that's like their lens into IT is Employee Center. They can submit all their requests, their incidents in just one screen. They don't have to worry about clicking on different clicks, kind of going into all of that. It's all just right there, and that's been huge for us. The cool thing about SPM within ServiceNow is it's our intake method also for our work. No more of just those instant messagings asking, hey, can you do this right now? All our work can be assigned to us within the projects and keep that on track as we go. And for the end users, those projects are visible. They can see reports of when it's going to be done, how it's going, the status updates. It's all in one tool, so we don't have to have projects that are tracked outside. We don't have to have spreadsheets that are outside. We have upgrades every year with ServiceNow, twice a year, and so it's giving all of these new features we can use. And it's really future-proofing us within ServiceNow to provide that visibility and be able to use those new features, integrate with our existing systems, but still keep it in one platform for those end users to communicate their IT with.